It happened. We reached 1,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you for subscribing. We couldn't have done it without you guys. That's why we wanted to do this giveaway, to give back to all of you that made this possible. There's a quote that I love. Take your dream and start breaking it down into milestones. Love it, short, sweet, right? Just remember though, when you're setting these goals and these milestones, when you reach them, celebrate it. It's a win. Especially those that are just starting, set those goals, right? Because then you give yourself the ability to celebrate those wins. Your first hire, the first $1,000 a month contract, your first $10,000 a month contract, your first office to set up your own business. Some of my goals, some of my milestones that I set to achieve when I was in like my first couple of years of business, right? Year 1, year 2, year 3, which I think are the most pivotal point. I wanted to get out of my apartment, first of all, and have an office, right? Got into my first office space, 300 square foot space. That's all I needed. I wanted to have employees. I wanted to hire my first group of employees. That's when it happened, right? Milestone, achieved. What did I want to do? Hire 10 employees. What did I want to do next year? I wanted to hire 50 employees. Boom, achieved it, reached it. Got right back to work the next day to set a new goal for more. These are things that are going to motivate you and encourage you to continue, right? There's going to be some tough times. That first year, that second year, your 10th year, it's never going to be easy, right? It's going to be difficult. But when you celebrate the wins, what does that do? It brings positivity. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, selecting the winner of the first route giveaway for that laser square foot tool that I'm telling you is going to be super, super crucial to running your business. Drum roll, please. Melissa Tariq. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm sorry if I didn't. So what Melissa wrote, badass comment, by the way. I found you from a cleaning Facebook group. Congratulations on 1K. Now I need to go binge watch your videos. LOL. Thanks for doing the giveaway. By the way, I own a cleaning company. Well, Melissa, thank you for finding us. And I'm excited for you to follow us on this journey. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a game changer for you, for everything you do with walkthroughs, bidding, estimating. So thank you very much for following us. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for subscribing. So remember guys, don't forget to celebrate those small wins. I got scared, legit. You gotta see my face. Dude, I legit got scared.